What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be drifting in my garage while riding the hoverboard and sitting on the chair, just like in my last video, but this time I'm just going to sit down and I'm going to drift in the garage. So let's get started with today's video. Oh man.
Low battery. Please recharge.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.